Baka naman mali ang hiring process. Nakaka-relate pa kayo dito? Nag-hire kayo ng bagong employee, magaling naman sa interview, pero pagdating sa actual work, hindi pala tugma sa company culture ninyo. Naku anak, nangyayari talaga ito sa maraming business owners. Kaya ngayon, I want to share with you Lali's story, who runs a school and office supplies business. Ganito ang nangyari sa kanya. No, she needed to hire a sales associate. Yung applicant, sobrang galing sa interview. Well-spoken, confident, at may experience pa sa ibang office supply store. Pero after 2 weeks, naging problema na siya. Hindi siya sumusunod sa instructions ni Lali. Laging late sa work. And the worst part, nakitalo pa siya sa customers habang may complaints sa defective products. Lali was so frustrated. Bakit ganito? Sa interview, perfect siya. So, I told her this. Lali, baka may mali ang focus mo sa hiring, ha? Baka you just focused on skills at hindi mo tiningnan yung character at saka yung values niya. So, this is the problem with most hiring processes, anak. We look at experience and skills, pero we ignore the qualities na magdidetermine kung magiging okay ba siya with the business. Alam mo, skills can be taught, pero character and values, nako, mahirap na yan. So, tinulungan kong si Lali na mag-create ng better hiring system. At naging successful nga siya. So, yung next employee na na-hire niya hanggang ngayon, nasa business niya pa rin after 1 year. At hindi lang yon, this employee became a supervisor at siya na ang nagtuturo sa ibang mga bagong employees. The difference? Lali learned to look for 5 non-negotiable qualities sa bawat applicant. Alam niyo ba kung ano yon? If not, you can start implementing this, anak. Here are the 5 non-negotiable qualities na dapat nating hanapin. Quality number 1, strong communication skills. Hindi lang ito about good English, ha? It's about organizing thoughts properly at expressing them clearly sa language na comfortable sa recipient. Para matest ito, give written instructions sa applicants. Check kung sinusunod nila ng tama. Pag hindi, ibig sabihin hindi nila naintindihan. So sa interview naman, ask prepared questions. Observe kung malinaw ba sila mag-explain ng kanilang mga thoughts. Bakit importante to? Good communication builds teamwork, prevents conflicts, and increases productivity. Okay? Quality number 2, strong work ethic. Nako, skills without work ethic is useless, anak. So, check kung aligned ba yung values nila sa values ng business natin. So, for Lali's Supplies business, importante yung attention to detail, customer service mindset, at saka yung product knowledge. So, paano nating malalaman? Tanungin natin yung kanilang past experiences. Tell me about a time na nag-overtime kayo para sa work. Or, what motivates you to work hard? At marami pang mga ibang mga questions. Quality number 3, humility. Red flag kapag mayabang ang applicant. Hindi ibig sabihin na dapat walang confidence, pero dapat open to learning. Yung mga taong, alam ko na yan, attitude, naku, mahirap turuan yan. Kaya during the interview, pwede kong tanungin, no? What's something new that you learned recently? Or how do you handle feedback or criticism? Okay? Number 4 now. Ito ay ang quality na integrity. Integrity goes beyond honesty lang, anak. It's about saying what you will do and doing what you will say. Kapag nag-commit sila, tutuparin ba nila? So para matest, pwede tayong magtanong tungkol sa mga past commitments nila. No? So tell me about a promise you made na hindi mo na-fulfill. Ano ang nangyari? Tignan natin kung anong sagot niya sa question na yan. And then do background checks then if possible. And finally, quality number 5, commitment. Mahal mag-train ng empleyado na aalis din after a few months, right? So you need to assess kung tatagal ba sila sa inyo. So ask about their career goals. Where do you see yourself in 2 years? What made you leave your previous job? Pakinggan natin ng mabuti yung mga answers nila. And so, after Lali implemented these steps, the hiring process niya, everything changed for Lali. Hindi lang siya nakakuha ng better employees, mas naging productive din yung buong team. Less conflicts, better customer service, at mas stable yung operations nila. So sabi ni Lali, na-realize ko na hiring is not about finding the most skilled person. It's about finding the right person who fits our culture. And alam ba, anak, Yung supplies business niya ngayon, naging trusted supplier na sa area nila dahil sa consistent yung kanilang service quality. So anong lesson, anak? Skills can be taught, pero ang character, hindi. Kaya hire for character and values and then train for skills. Because this will save you time, money, at stress in the long run. Kaya tandaan, ang ating team ay ang foundation ng ating negosyo. So, choose wisely, invest in the right people, at makikita ninyo ang difference sa success ng business ninyo. Don't make the same mistake na ginawa ni Lali before, ha? Kaya mo yan, anak. Let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, learn more from my Business Basics for Business Owners course. Check the link in the comment section.